P0012 on Toyota, that's the Vitz or Paso, means the intake camshaft timing is over-retarded. Bank 1. The main cause are usually faulty VVT solenoid actuator, low dirty oil, engine oil, worn out timing chain, or tensioner or sensor issues. So this is what we discover, and we are going to figure out. So it is the intake timing chain camshaft that is faulty. We have got one to replace. So this engine is rattling, making so much noise, and it's not comfortable. Sometimes fire goes off, sometimes it's firing, rough idling, a whole lot. And as you can see, it has been removed down, so new one is going to be replaced. That's the main cause for today, and we are going to solve it once and for all. But there are other related things that is also required for this code, not only the camshaft facer. So whenever you diagnose it, check all those things and don't go for only one side. It may be faulty engine oil pump, it may be dirty engine oil, it may be faulty oil sieve. When sometimes oil sieve clogged, oil cannot flow fluently, and fail to supply for the system, so it creates a lot of noise. And also make sure to check the engine bearings. Whenever engine bearings are weak, engine oil pump cannot able to pump well and flow, and that is already the cause. So this is how it is. So in common, oil passage are clogged, or the solenoid itself is defective. So VVT actuator camshaft gear problems is the main thing, and the actuator may wear out or get stuck, preventing poor camshaft adjustment. Low engine oil or dirty engine oil is the one for those of you taking long duration to change oil. Take note that the more you taking long duration to change oil, the more the oil is stacking in and block the oil passage. This is what is going to happen and give you this fault. So whenever you are trying to work on this thing, check your timing chain, check the chain adjuster, the guide, the chain kits, check all of them, because it may not be always one way traffic. It's linked to a certain component. So for you to be able to do it and ratify it once and for all, check all these things. So that's my chain and everything is going to be changed, and we have done that. We changed the timing chain, we changed the adjuster, we changed the actuator, and finally we found out that the oil sieve is clogged due to certain works that Rosa mechanic did, putting too much slant, and the slant is not genuine, so it passes through the oil hose and block the oil sieve. And also this car engine oil is very clogged because it's not changing on the due time, and it's a commercial car, so too much pressure on it. So I advise you to always check your user manual and schedule proper maintenance. Use quality engine oil, use quality oil filter for your engine to get the right lifespan. So we are here to fix this fault. So these are the things we change. VVTI was faulty, we cannot able to repair it or lock it. We change. So and we change the oil sieve is clogged, we change it. And also I checked the oil pump, and it was so faulty, all the gears has worn out. I don't want to do a guesswork and do a double or return work, so I changed the oil pump, I changed the timing chain, I changed the timing chain adjuster, then it is done. So here we go, engine is start perfectly. oil light that was stay consistently was completely off, noise rattling was off, everything is perfect, no code shown on the board when you scan with the scan tool. Car was smoothly, engine life restore back. Then we fix genuine oil filter. Always I advise you don't buy those filters, and for those of you that have been sticking on changing oils from the filling station loop base and whatever loop base you call yourself, you trust them, you are doing the wrong thing. That is what it lead to these certain things. Make sure to find the right hand to work on your car. Get a professional experienced mechanic who know the quality parts and the quality product lubricant for your car. And don't just go to anywhere and work on your car, change your engine oil. It may, give you the right, time, the lesser spend, but it will generate a lot of fault for you in the future. This is Eric.